So today we are leaving Myrtle Beach. We had a really nice time here, even though it was short, it was sweet. The hotel was wonderful, really enjoyed that. Love the size of the room. The hospitality was really great. So the people that work there are really nice and really enjoyed the stay here. Myrtle Beach itself was fun to see. I'm happy that we came. I really don't feel like I need more time here, to be honest. I feel like one day just to see it was enough, but I could also see why people would come here for a week. There is a lot to do, so definitely you can come and stay for a long time, but we got to keep going. So today we're actually going to drive 3.5 hours roughly all the way to Charlotte, North Carolina. This is the capital of North Carolina, so we're going to head to our next state right now. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. One thing I noticed so far driving through South Carolina is that there are more churches than houses. No, not really, probably not, but it feels like it. There are so many churches all throughout the entire state. It's just interesting because in Florida, we don't have that many churches, at least it's not that noticeable, but you'll notice here it's like every 2 houses and there's a church. So I just found that interesting that there's so many churches. So if you're wanting to go to church, there's definitely a lot of options for you in the state of South Carolina here in the US. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. So we just went through some back roads, which was nice because when you're on the highway, you get there quick and fast, which is nice. But if you take some side roads, some back roads, you get to really see the real life, the real style. We went through a lot of countryside here in North Carolina, and it was kind of nice because we actually went through, I think, an upper scale countryside. So we saw all these really big, beautiful, almost mansions, a lot of land, farmland, and it was really nice. So now we're back on the highway. We're about 10 minutes from the hotel, and we are entering into the capital of North Carolina, Charlotte. So we will see you at the hotel for a hotel tour. Good morning. We are in Charlotte, North Carolina today. It's the capital of the state of North Carolina here in the United States of America. And we are going to head downtown and just see the city, explore a little bit. And of course, as always, we'll take you along with us. Okay, so we're here in the park in downtown Charlotte, North Carolina. I actually got it incorrect. I'm only human. I thought that Charlotte was the current capital of North Carolina, but it's actually not. The capital of North Carolina is Raleigh, which we're actually headed there next in a couple of days. But the reason I got it confused because there is some truth to it. At the end of the Civil War, Charlotte was the unofficial capital of North Carolina. So there's some history for you, some facts at least came out of this mishap, but it's all fixed now and we're still gonna show you around this beautiful city. You could see why it looks like it should be the capital, but I haven't been to Raleigh, so we're gonna check that out as well. I've heard of Raleigh before. I know it's a very popular, well-known city here in North Carolina, and so is Charlotte. So it's nice to be able to see both, compare, and explore both of these great cities. sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. So this is actually a really cute, nice park. It's big. I see a lot of people walking their dogs here, which of course it makes it a favorite for me already. I love seeing all the little dogs everywhere. But yeah, it's really nice, really peaceful. There's a nice smell of the plants, a lot of vegetation, so really nice so far. Just to Charlotte. The downtown is beautiful. You can tell a lot of people are working, so it's a very working city. A lot of people in suits, a lot of tall buildings, businesses. So it has a nice vibe. It seems very safe, feels very safe, and there's really good energy in this city. So I'm really enjoying it, and I hope you guys will too. Behind me is the NASCAR Hall of Fame. Who knew that the NASCAR Hall of Fame was here in Charlotte, North Carolina? Pretty cool. And we're just walking around the downtown today, and it's beautiful weather. We're very lucky, so really nice, and it's a good vibe here in North Carolina, Charlotte. We just got back to the car from our little walk around downtown Charlotte, North Carolina, and I have to say I'm very impressed, especially with the downtown area. Very cute, very nice, very calm, very peaceful. The people were wonderful. It felt very safe and easygoing, just good vibes, good environment. I think it was a great walking city, really easygoing, not too many people walking around, just some people, you know, on their lunch break or going to get a coffee, but you can tell it was a lot of working people that work in those buildings downtown. But really, really nice. I would give it a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. So I am happily surprised. I didn't know what to expect from Charlotte. You don't hear too much about it, or at least I haven't. So I think it was even better than I expected. I didn't really have a lot of thoughts either way or expectations. So always when you don't have expectations, usually you exceed them, I feel like. But yeah, it was really nice, and I definitely give it a good recommendation. 10 out of 10 is a pretty high mark for me. I'm a little more picky when it comes to things in cities, especially since I've seen so much, but really, really nice. And again, a really good walking city. Not a lot of traffic either, which I was surprised to be a city downtown area, not too many cars, and just really easygoing. So definitely great to come here and spend a day and just walk around. Was even fun without having many activities planned. I can recommend it.
you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button down below. And thanks so much for doing that in advance. Also, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below in the comments section. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see, leave those as well in a comment down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to share this video on social media with friends.